Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Much like the rest of the country, the city of Bengaluru has been struggling to fulfill its medical oxygen needs for its hospitals as well as its citizens. As of May 9th, the state government of Karnataka put out an order saying henceforth medical oxygen supply can only be directly given to hospitals and no longer to individuals who have the money to buy an oxygen cylinder or who have an oxygen cylinder to get it refilled. However, this has caused a lot of inconveniences for volunteers and citizens who are desperately looking for medical oxygen for their loved ones. Let us follow around an oxygen cylinder and look at a day in its life.
The day starts with volunteer Adams bringing empty gas cylinders to one of Bengaluru's many gas agencies. However, all is not well here.
Have you been facing shortages recently?
Yeah, we are facing shortage of liquid. Today also it was the same problem. The liquid is expected. Suppose if I expect the liquid will be coming by today, it will be postponed to some other 3-4 days. That it keep on postponing.
जब तक से हमारे पास रहता है या 100 या 200 वो भी कम से कम हमने किया है 300 सिलेंडर तक किया है हमने. वो तब पहले स्टार्टिंग का था. इंडिविजुअल सिलेंडर आते रहते हैं कोई और हॉस्पिटल से आते हैं इमरजेंसी के लिए. रात को भी किया हमने 8, 9, 10 बजे तक भी किया हमने बैठ के. अभी हमारे पास लिक्विड शॉर्टेज है इसलिए हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते और हेल्प भी नहीं कर सकते.
Following the oxygen shortage in the first gas agency, Adams managed to find a worker from a bigger plant in Pina itself who agreed to fill the oxygen cylinders.
We have seen a lot more deaths in Bangalore. Bangalore have reported the highest death rate 2 days back because people have died more in their homes rather than in hospitals because there was no oxygen supply to home isolation patients. Right? I'm getting calls every day where people are calling me and asking and begging, please give me some oxygen, we need some oxygen. The saturation is 70, 75, 80.
So, the government rhetoric is that if your oxygen is that bad, you can just go to a hospital. Is there a problem with that narrative?
Yes, we don't have beds available in hospitals, right? And with no beds, the patients have been treated at home with doctor's prescription, where the doctors have been consulting them, giving them medicines with the oxygen supply. But just a new rule coming into the picture is trying to lose a lot of lives. It's becoming a very big challenge now because if I get 5 calls, and if I have 3 cylinders, I need to choose whom to give the cylinder, whom to give the oxygen that I can save, who is not critical and who is critical. नहीं सर, फिलहाल तो बैंगलोर में ऑक्सीजन का क्राइसिस चल रहा है, so individuals के लिए ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं हो रहा. It is only for hospitals.
After waiting for many hours, the oxygen cylinders have finally been filled. Now it is time to take them to the patient who has been waiting for them for a long time.
We have been trying to get an oxygen cylinder from the past 2 days. We tried in a nearby mosque also, but we were not able to find it. So I had tried a couple of gas agencies too, where they were asking me to get a cylinder where they can refill it. But whatever the attempts we did, we were not able to successfully purchase one.
Getting her admitted to give her oxygen?
No, we didn't try to get her admitted because as per the doctor's suggestion, she was in a stable condition. But since today morning, her saturation level dropped down to 79.
After being dragged through different gas agencies and being driven around in rain and through power cuts, the oxygen cylinder has finally made its way to a family and a patient who is in dire need. Once this is used up by the patient, it will follow a similar routine where Adam will take back the cylinder from the family, have it refilled and give it to another person in need. This is Vaishnavi Suresh and you are watching Mojo Stories.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.